So you might have seen my previous video on why the over-the-counter erection gel Eroxon does not work for you. And I explained the mechanism of Eroxon, that it is based on the gel stimulating the nerve endings of the penis, which allows and generates the cooling and warming effect that allows the release of nitric oxide, which is a compound responsible for dilating the smooth muscle of the arteries of the penis, allowing for increased blood flow and for stronger erections to occur. Now, the makers of Eroxon claim that Eroxon works pretty quick, within 10 minutes. However, there have been mixed reviews by male users, mostly negative, with ratings of an average of 2 out of 5 when you look at most websites. And I was hoping that the company would review the product and try and make it better. So it is likely that Eroxon would work for you if maybe you're quite young, in your 20s or early 30s. You have no underlying health conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol. And if you have mild erectile dysfunction as opposed to severe erectile dysfunction. So how would you know if your erectile dysfunction is mild or severe? Well, with mild erectile dysfunction, you will still expect to get early morning erections or erections that allow you to have intercourse, but more like semi-erections where your erection is not too strong or long-lasting. While with severe erectile dysfunction, you might not get any erections at all, whether it's early morning or during intercourse despite being stimulated by your partner. Now, like any other drug, Eroxon might not work for every single person, but it sounds like it does work for some men. Otherwise, I would have expected it to have been pulled off the shelves completely. So if it does not work for you, then you have to consider other options such as sildenafil tablets, vacuum pumps, injections, and other devices. But also consider lifestyle changes, which is a big factor for erectile dysfunction, such as increasing your exercise, changing your diet, reducing from a high salt or high fat diet to more of a low calorie diet, managing your stress levels and your mental health, as well as any other underlying health conditions such as diabetes, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure, making sure that they are all under control. Also, consider medication as a big factor. There are certain types of medications that can cause erectile dysfunction, such as your high blood pressure tablets, painkillers, and have a review with your doctor to see if you can stop or change the medication. So remember, if Eroxon does not work for you, there are other options that you can try, from lifestyle to medication to devices, and I've got other videos where you can check this out. So if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe.